Hey, Aimee. Where are we going? What are we doing?
We're in Florida.
Woo, spring break 2019. Look at that butt. Hey, Aimee. What just happened to us? We're at in the gas station, getting Subway.
I think we got to get Subway. All right,
And the girls getting Subway. We're still making stuff.